How to add header and footer on Microsoft Word document. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see a quick and easy way to add header and footer on your Microsoft Word document. So let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is open up your Word. And in order to be able to add header and footer, it's quite easy. So if you want to add this to your entire document, you first want to go over to Layout, and then you might see header and footer here. If not, here under referencing, you can just double click on the top of your screen and it will take you to the header and footer tab. And then from here, you can just basically add your header or footer. Now you can click on the drop down, and if there is anything you want to add there, like a blank, the different types here, document title, you could just do that as well. So I'll just go ahead and do this document title. And if you want to change it, you could do that as well. So select any one of these. I'll just select this banded. Now once you have added your header, you could just exit out of it. And then whenever you create new pages, the header is going to be there. So here on the multiple pages, I have all of these header. You can do the same thing for your footer as well. So you want to go ahead and click on insert, go over to footer, select what kind of footer you want to add. So let's say I do this banded one as well, retrospect. I can click on it and the footer will be added right here. And that's basically it. That's how you can easily add header and footer on your Microsoft Word document. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.